Easy to make and delicious. That's what makes these chocolate pretzel bites so fantastic to make for your next party, and they're a great addition to any party platter, shown here with our candied pecans and dipped pretzel rods. Let's get right into making these, starting off with a 10-ounce bag of chocolate kisses, which we're going to have to unwrap these individually. This 10-ounce bag yielded us 62 treats. It should have been a few more than that certainly, but I just couldn't resist stealing a few of these for myself. You know, for quality control. Once those are all ready to go, you're going to want to preheat the oven to 175 degrees. We've got our bag here of standard pretzels. We're going to pour that out on an 18 by 13 inch cookie pan. Julie just spreads those evenly out across that full-size pan, which is the perfect size for 62 pretzels. Now we show each of these pretzels some love with a little kiss. Just need a few more pretzels here for the remaining chocolate. That's looking pretty good there as we wrap up this pan. Now before we put this in the oven, we're going to want to get these candies ready that we're going to place on top. We use either M&Ms or Reese's Pieces. Now to our preheated oven. At 175 degrees, this should take about 4 to 5 minutes. In our case, it was closer to 5. You just want those chocolates soft enough where you can press in the candies right on top, just like that. And you do want to press these pretty firmly here, just so they're pressed into the pretzel, so when everything is cooled off, it all stays together as a bite-sized treat. And this certainly is a fun time to get the kids involved, and you can try your own experiments with different candies and different toppings. You just let this cool for 30 minutes before placing onto your party platter. And you want to be sure to check out our candied pecans video, which you can see by clicking right there. On the top right are candy dipped pretzel rods. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and certainly leave your comments below. Until next time, God bless.